What's up, everyone? It's Brett from Ukulele Tricks, a website that helps you become a better ukulele player. In the last video I posted, we jammed a beginner-friendly chord progression together, and I got so many comments from you all saying you want more play-along videos like that one to help improve your chord changes and strumming. So today we're back with a similar idea, but in this video we're going to take the chorus chord progression to Leonard Cohen's famous song Hallelujah and practice strumming the changes in 6/8 time signature with two different strumming pattern options. If you don't know what 6/8 time signature means, then you will by the end of this video, so stay with me. And if you've never heard this song before, then I'll link a cover of me playing it in the description. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, we need to know 4 chords to play the chorus of Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. The first chord you need to know is an F major chord, played like so. Then you need to know an A minor chord played like this. Next, you have to know a C chord. And finally, you need to know a G chord. If you need to pause the video to practice these chords, then definitely do that now. For the strumming, this is a song where I like to keep things really nice and simple. If you listen to my cover of the song, you'll notice that the most complicated my strumming gets is just strumming down strums. A lot of us can fall into the trap thinking that to be an impressive sounding ukulele player, we have to know some kind of secret or super complicated strumming pattern. But this is a great song example where less is often more with our strumming. This song, Hallelujah, is counted in 6/8 time signature, which means the song is played to a count of 6, where we count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So let's do that now, and to each count, we're going to strum down across the strings. Let's play that over an F chord right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great job. For our jam today, this strumming pattern is going to be the easy option that you can use to play along with me. But I know some of you like a little bit of a challenge, so let's spice this pattern up just a little bit. For the second, more difficult strumming pattern, you're going to strum down and up to a count of 6, but we're going to divide up our count, where we count out loud 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and so on. Let's practice that now over an F chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and If that option is too hard for you, then don't worry about it for our jam today. Really, don't sweat it. It's not a problem if you can't play this pattern yet. Just use the down strum pattern and continue to practice the down up strum pattern in your own time. Okay, now let's learn the chorus chord progression for Hallelujah that we'll be jamming to today. This is an 8-bar chord progression, so let's divide it up into 2 4-measure parts. In the first part, for the first 2 measures, you play an F chord, and then for another 2 measures, you switch to an A minor chord. That sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the second part, for 2 measures, you play an F chord again. Then you switch to a C chord for 1 measure, and then finish by switching to a G chord for the last measure. Here's how that goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you put it all together, you get the full Hallelujah chorus chord progression over 8 measures that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do for our jam today. I'm going to start off playing the progression with that simple down strum pattern. I'll probably sing the melody out loud or count out loud to help keep us on the beat, and I encourage you to do the same. But then after a couple minutes, I'm going to call out and switch to that down-up strumming pattern. When that happens, feel free to switch with me, or you can keep holding down that all down strum rhythm while I play that down-up pattern. This makes good practice where you might have a ukulele jam mate who incorporates a strumming pattern variation alongside you. Incorporating multiple rhythms in a tasteful way while jamming can create a cool feeling and sound, and it requires you to continue to sense and know where the beat is at all times as you hold down that rhythm yourself. Okay, you ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. All right, we'll do this one more time. Then we'll switch to the other strumming pattern. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. 1, 2, 3, 4, All right, one more time. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay, awesome work. How was the jam today? What pattern did you end up using as you played along with me? Post a comment below and let me know. And also tell me, what do you want to learn on your ukulele? I'm making a lot of videos this summer, so just drop a comment below so I know where you're at in your playing. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I really do appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.